Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the app you want to lock. Triple press the side or home button now to open guided access controls. Tap guided access and then tap options. Make sure Face ID is enabled here. If you haven't set a guided access passcode, choose one now. This acts as a fallback. Once done, adjust time limits or touch controls briefly, because those initial settings dictate behavior for the whole session and save you time later. Now you configure what the user can and cannot do. Use your finger to circle areas you want to disable. This prevents accidental taps. Then review options and toggle motion, keyboards, or volume buttons off if those could exit or disrupt the app. When everything matches your requirement, tap Start to begin guided access. Your device will now require Face ID to end the session, so Face ID becomes the practical unlock method rather than fumble. To finish, triple press the side or home button and authenticate with Face ID. The device will prompt you to end guided access. If Face ID doesn't recognize you, don't panic. Enter the guided access passcode you set as a fallback. If problems repeat, restart the device and check settings Face ID to confirm nothing blocked sensors. Alternatively, toggle guided access off and on. These steps resolve most glitches and make sure Face ID works reliably for future sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.